Confit Garlic is a great way of preserving garlic. Look at these beautiful bulbs cooking away in the canola oil. Confit Garlic is a great source of antioxidants, and they contain several vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin B6, and manganese. Confit Garlic also contains allicin, which is a compound that is shown to have antibacterial and antifungal properties. Watch me make Confit Garlic and how to preserve it, and you will never use garlic any other way. It's a great way of preserving garlic and keeping it and storing it in your fridge for weeks, even months. Watch my latest video and subscribe to my YouTube channel.